Welcome back to Cool Hush Joe, and I want to give a welcome to all my subscribers and all my potential subscribers who are here for the first time. But if you are here for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. Hit it. Come on. I know you want to hit it. Just hit it harder than you hit a garlic press. Because you know what? Once you hit that, you are part of this Cool Hush Joe family. So, anyway, how about we begin? Right? Because that's what you're here for. So, as you saw in the intro, today we will be making ground turkey with zucchini and grape tomatoes. So as you see, the first step you want to do here is you just want to cut the zucchini. Make sure you wash your zucchini first. That is always something you should do first, always wash it. So as you see, I'm just cutting it like so. Very easy. You're just going to cut, just like I am doing right here. So as I cut this, I am cutting two pieces of zucchini here. If you want more, you can cut more. Depends how many you make it. I normally just make this for me and my wife, so that's how much we need. But now we are going to move on to cooking our turkey. So you see, I'm going to just put down some avocado. If you want to see why I always use avocado, check out an older video. I'll put a link up here for you to check one of those out. So go check that out after you're done watching this. You see, we're going to use our ground turkey. This is the turkey I use. You have a different brand, you can use that. I just like this brand. That's just what I use. So as you see now, as we make our turkey here, just going to kind of break it up as you stir it about, as you see what I'm doing. Very simple, very easy. And as I do this, I will let you watch and listen to some music. If you want to fast forward, feel free to fast forward. See, I didn't get my little stir plate there. Always need that little spoon holder. But I said, as you see, I did fast forward a little bit here. So I don't have to watch the whole thing, but as I continue to stir, I'm going to let you listen to music, and I'll be back for the next step. Okay, now as you see, we have cooked our turkey. It is not pink anymore, and that's how you will be able to tell when it's done. So now as you see, we are going to put some minced garlic and some minced onion on our turkey now to give it a little bit of flavor, because we all like that flavor. So now as you see, let's go to the next step here, which is putting your zucchini in. See, I'm just going to slide your zucchini right off of the cutting board, and then you're just going to mix this in like so. So you want to get the zucchini and the ground turkey all together to really get those flavors mixed in together. Like I said before, we're all about that flavor. So now, as you see, as I stir this here, just mixing it all in just so you can get it all together. We like to stir here. Stirring always mixes the flavors. Alright, go back to the flavors. Well, all flavors in this video here. Alright, but anyway, let's move on. I'm getting off track here. You see now we are going to just put some of our grape tomatoes in. You can use any kind of grape tomatoes you want. You see, we're just going to put them all in. I'm using like 1 whole cup of grape tomatoes here. Next, a little bit of basil. And some chili powder to give it a little bit more flavor here. Like so. And then I think you know what is probably coming next. That's right. Stir, stir, stir. So as you see, I'm just going to stir this all together to really mix in those flavors here. Because again, I've said a lot in this video, but we are about those flavors, aren't we? Huh, look, we're almost to the end of the video now, so you're only going to have 1 music listen in this video. Go figure that one. But as you see anyway, you then just cover a little bit to let it kind of cook a little bit more, about give it like a minute or 2. But anyway, here it is. Here is your ground turkey, zucchini, and grape tomatoes mix. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button Because like I said, once you do, you are part of this Cool Hot Show family. So as I always say, enjoy and smash nego. See you next time.